Look at your life. Look at the balance in your bank account. Look at the exhaustion dragging at your eyes every morning. You tell yourself you are a victim of bad timing, of a rigged system, of circumstances beyond your control. You are lying. You are not a victim of circumstance. You are a prisoner of your own habits. You wake up, you follow the same path as everyone else, and you end up exactly where they are. Broke, stressed, stuck. You think you are failing because you lack the right connections or the right degree. You are wrong. You are failing because you refuse to look at the mirror. Every choice you made yesterday created the wall you are hitting today. You repeat the same mistakes, expect a different result, and call it bad luck. It is not bad luck. It is a lack of discipline. You are a spectator in your own life, watching the clock run out while you wait for a permission slip. Stop blaming the world. Stop waiting for the stars to align. The only thing standing between you and the life you claim to want is the person staring back at you. Forget the millions. Forget the lifestyle you dream about but never work for. The only metric that matters is your first $10,000. That is the threshold where money stops being a matter of luck and starts being a matter of skill. If you cannot generate that amount, you are not an entrepreneur. You are a spectator. You are watching the game from the sidelines, hoping for a lucky break that will never come. $10,000 is the barrier that separates the dreamers from the operators. It is the point where you own the mechanism of your own survival. When you hit that number, you stop guessing. You stop relying on external validation. You stop waiting for someone else to hand you a paycheck. You learn how to identify a problem, how to package a solution, and how to extract value from the marketplace. The first 10,000 is the proof of your competence. Build the skill, hit the target, and prove to yourself that you are capable of creating value. Most people make the path to 10,000 impossible because they are addicted to the fantasy of easy money. They chase crypto. They gamble on trades. They hunt for shortcuts because they are too lazy to build a foundation. You do not need luck. You need a system that requires no capital and pays you for your competence. Right now, you are likely choosing the wrong path. You trade your time for money in local services, limiting your reach to a single zip code, forever stuck in a cycle of manual labor. Or you sell physical products, drowning in overhead, inventory costs, and slow returns that bleed your cash dry. Perhaps you chase global trends, burning your budget on ads you do not understand, hoping for a miracle that never comes. These are not businesses. They are traps. They are designed to keep you busy while your bank account stays empty. Stop the bleeding. There is only one path that matters. Online services. You offer value. You edit. You write. You design. Start before you are ready. To reach your first 10,000, you need 4 pillars. First, positioning. Stop working for broke people. Work for those who value results over effort. Second, leverage. Stop selling your hours. Sell the outcome. If you make them money, they will pay you whatever you ask. Third, reach. Stop begging for clients. Build a body of work that makes them come to you. Fourth, reliability. This is where you will fail, not because you lack talent, but because you are inconsistent. You miss deadlines. You make excuses. You are difficult to work with. You think you are a professional, but you are a liability. If you simply show up on time and do what you promise, you are already ahead of 90% of the population. Fix your consistency, or stop pretending you want to win. This is the uncomfortable truth. Your first 10,000 is not about the cash. It is about the transformation. It is about killing the version of you that waits for permission. It is about becoming a person who creates value, rather than a person who consumes it. You are either a creator or a commodity. You are either in control or you are being controlled. Stop thinking. Stop planning. Stop waiting for the perfect moment that will never arrive. The gap between those who win and those who rot is a single decisive action. Start now. Do not look for a sign. You are the sign. Close this screen. Open your laptop. Send the first email. Make the first offer. Build the first asset. The world does not care about your potential. It only cares about your output. Get to work.